Hello everyone, myself Shrikant Khan, Government Polytechnic Haryana, Department of Civil Engineering. We underwork Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Uh, Today's session is 3 about rate analysis, small problems. Yesterday, session 1 and session 2 are completed. For session 1 is definitions and labor cost, and session 2 is working out small problems, earthwork filling and excavation and concrete work. Today, let us start session 3 about brickwork, hollow brickwork. So, burnt brick, though there are varieties of bricks, burnt clay brick, sand lime brick, and fire brick, fly ash brick, air brick, and hollow bricks. Types of bricks are used in construction. We are doing brickwork construction work. It is the brickwork is a 9-inch wall or 4-inch wall. Is constructed brickwork in cement. For example, one problem on brickwork: first class burnt brick masonry in cement mortar 1:4 in superstructure for ground floor. So it is the ground floor. Take 10 cubic meter. Calculation of material. Number of bricks having size with mortar 10 into 10 into 20 centimeter. Say 10 cubic meter is taken, divided by 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.2. 0.1 into 0.2, nothing but the width mortar of the brick in centimeter equals to 5,000 numbers. The size of brick without mortar, so modular burnt brick 0.9, 0.9 and 0.19. So 10 cubic meter minus 5,000 numbers bricks into modular brick size equals to 2.3 cubic meter. Adding extra 50% for frog filling and wastages. So brick have frog, so curves and grooves, nothing but a frog. The wastage and the frog filling, the gap is filling, and wastage is taken as 15%. The volume of wet mortar equals to 2.3 cubic meter into 0.15 into 2.3, say 2.64 cubic meter. For dry mix, adding one third extra, nothing but 2.64 into 1 divided by 3 equals to 0.33 into 2.64, say 3.5 cubic meter. Though the standard value of bricks is 3.5 cubic meter. So proportion: cement mortar 1:4 proportion, cement 1 and fine aggregate means sand is 4. First calculate the cement quantity. So comes the for dry mix. So 3.5 cubic meter divided by 1 plus 4 equals to 0.7 cubic meter. Sand 0.7 into, so proportion 4 into 2.8 cubic meter. So we calculate the materials portion and then to tabular the material and labor portion. So materials, already we are calculate the materials: bricks 5,000 numbers, sand 2.8 cubic meter, cement 20.116 bags, and scaffolding is so stage for brickwork. So lump sum is 500. So amount 5,000 into 8 equals 40,000. 2.8 cubic meter into 3,000, 8,400. 20.16 says as 21 bags. So rate 350, 7056, and lump sum is 500. So material portion is completed, and then labor portion. Head mason 0.5 numbers 800 rupees, mason 0.8 numbers 600 rupees, mazdoor 16 450 rupees. contingency and tools and plant lump sum 500. So calculate 0.5 into 800, 400 rupees, and 8 number of mason into rate of mason 600, 4,800 rupees. Mazdoor 16 numbers into 450, 7,200. So lump sum is 500. So total is 68,856. Water charges 1%, 1%, 688.56 rupees. Profit and overhead at 10%, 6,885.6. Grand total is 76,430.160 paisa. So the grand total is the for the 10 cubic meter of the brickwork. Then we convert into per cubic meter. So total quantity, total grand total divided by total quantity. Say 1 cubic meter of brickwork for execution of work is 7,643 rupees. Next, in the figure shows the 4-inch brick wall, 4-inch brick wall or half brick wall. Take 10 centimeter thick brick wall, half brick in cement mortar 1:3. Take 100 square meter. So previous problem we take 10 cubic meter. In the 10 centimeter half brick is nothing but in square meter. So I take 100 square meter. Calculation of material. Bricks 100 divided by 0.1 into 0.2. 0.1 is the width mortar of bricks. 0.1 into 0.2. So 105,000 numbers. Volume of mortar 35% of volume of work. 35 into 100 into 0.1, 3.5 cubic meter. So volume of mortar 10% less due to half brick 10% less material. So 3.15 cubic meter. Cement equals to calculate the cement quantity. So 3.15 proportion of cement mortar 1:4. 1 plus 3 equals to 0.79 cubic meter. So know the quantity of cement and then quantity of sand to be calculated. So 0.79 cubic meter into 3 equals to 2.37 cubic meter. So already the materials of the cost of the materials and quantity of materials we will calculate. And next portion of a tabular column for particular quantity, rate and amount. Bricks 5,000 bricks, rate 8 rupees, so 40,000. So sand 2.37 cubic meter into 3,000 equals to 7,110. Cement 23 bags 350, 8,050. Scaffolding lump sum 500 in 500. Labor portion, head mason 0.5, mason 8 numbers, Mazdoor 16 number. Contingency, tools and plant lump sum, so say as 500 rupees. So 0.5 into 800, 400 rupees. 8 into 600, 4,800 rupees. 16 Mazdoor into at rate of 50, 7,200. So lump sum 500. Total 68,560. So water charges, so 1%, and profit and overhead at 10%. So 6,856. Say grand total 76,101.60 per cubic meter. So the rate of half brickwork is 761 rupees. Solid blocks and hollow blocks. Solid blocks, the first figure, first one figure. So length of the block 200, 400 in length, and width is 100 mm. So first A, small a is shows the solid blocks. There is no opening, so no cavity is the blocks. The types of blocks are solid blocks, and B, small b is the hollow blocks. So size is 100 and 194 without mortar and 92 width. These rates are solid blocks is 30 35 hollow blocks is 35 and solid blocks is 32 rupees in session 1. Hollow block masonry in cement mortar 1:4 for superstructure. Block size 40 centimeter in 20 centimeter in 20 centimeter. Take 10 square meter. Calculation of material. Number of hollow blocks 10 divided by 0.2 into 0.4 say 125 numbers. Volume of mortar 155. No, 15% of 15% of volume of work equals to 0.15 into 10 into 0.2 equals to 0.3 cubic meter. So calculate of cement 0.3 proportion 1:4 say 0.06 cubic meter. Sand 0.06 into 4 equals to 0.24 cubic meter. So you know the quantity of cement and fine aggregate for tabulate the with rates and quantities. So particular quantity, rate, amount. Materials hollow blocks 125 numbers, rate 35 rupees, 4,375. Sand 0.24 cubic meter, so 720. Cement 1.73 bags equals to into 350 rupees, 6,605.50 paisa. Scaffolding is lump sum is for 500 rupees. Scaffolding uses for stage the stage for staging for work for the above 1.5 meter height. Labor cost head mason 0.5 numbers, mason 2 numbers, mazdoor 3 numbers. So rate is 800, 600, 450. So calculate the multiplication of 0.5 number into 800, 400 rupees. Mason 2 numbers into 600 rupees, 1,200 rupees. Mazdoor 3 numbers more 50, 1,350. Contingency in tools and plants lump sum 500 rupees. Total 9,650 rupees 50 paisa. So water charges at 1% 96.505 and contractor profit is 10%. So 9,965 rupees and grand total is 10,712 rupees per cubic meter of block is say 1,071, say as 1,071 rupees total cost. Next, same type above same type of work for solid blocks, and same procedure should be added. And down floor to first floor. Then in case of labor, ground floor. Suppose for hollow bricks, ground floor, head mason 0.5, mason 2, and mazdoor 3. Then first floor you add 10% of previous labor cost. So first floor 0.5 head mason and mason is 3 numbers and mazdoor in 4 numbers. So 10% is added to the overlift. So it may be first floor or second floor, it may be third floor. Every floor we will take 10% of the cost of labor. Next, multiple choice questions. According to Indian Standard Institute, the actual size of modular brick is 23 centimeter, 11.53 centimeter, and 7.5 centimeter. So 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 19, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. So 24 centimeter, 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So answer is C, 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. The unit weight of burnt brick masonry. So burnt brick masonry is 1920 kg per cubic meter, 1440 kg per cubic meter, 2400 kg per cubic meter, 7850 kg per cubic meter. Already the unit weight of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter and steel is 7850 kg per cubic meter and concrete is 2400 kg per cubic meter. The actual answer is 1920 kg per cubic meter. Answer is A. How many bricks are in 1 cubic meter? So how many bricks are 1 cubic meter? So first one is 150 bricks, 250 bricks, 400 bricks, and fourth one is 500 bricks. So we are calculate about the problem for brick work for 10 cubic meter concrete is 5000 bricks. So 1 cubic meter 500 bricks. So reference B.N. Datta, estimation and costing in civil engineering, and H.S. Vishwanath. Thank you to chairman and moderate subject experts and content developers. So thank you once again.